This Realty ONE Group Select property video is presented by Kaki Moro. Stunning skyline views in this large one-bedroom loft in the heart of Southend. Open floor plan with 10-foot ceilings flowing from kitchen through dining area into living room. New hardwood floors and paint throughout the main level. Floor-to-ceiling windows provide a bright open space. The kitchen features granite and stainless steel appliances with a full range with oven and microwave. Master bedroom downstairs boasts 12-foot ceilings and carpet throughout. Master bath with large tiled shower, granite countertops and huge walk-in closet. Parking garage, secured entrances and courtyard. Walking distance to everything Southend has to offer: restaurants, breweries, shopping and the light rail. For more information, review the